Mixed Media Girl here. I'm here with Cyndi from Cyndi's Creatives. Check her out on YouTube, check out her store. I'll put all the information down in the description. We are going to try a fun new technique, which we've deemed the funnel spin, or something like that. It's to be decided a little bit, but we're gonna have some
Depending
fun.
on how it comes out.
Yeah, depending on how it comes out. So let's get started. So this is a funnel that has a stopper. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up, and then we're gonna release the paint as we start spinning. So hopefully this works. We'll see. And I'm using
Your paint.
Mixed Media Girl White and Deep Sea, which is a beautiful navy blue. Oh, I should try not to use up all your paint.
No, it's all right. It's totally all right. That's why I have two different.
And this is Master's Touch Gold, also pre-mixed, which I've never used before. Do we want cells or no cells?
Yeah.
Okay, Cyndi likes cells. So normally I don't squeeze through bottles like this because it creates cells, unless I want them. So this is Mixed Media Girl Royal Purple.
I love that color.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to use some DecoArt Cranberry Wine, which I'll also squeeze through. Oh, nope, I won't.
Oh.
It might be clogged.
Yeah, shoot.
That's okay. We'll just unscrew the top there. It is leaking a little bit,
Tiny.
but that's okay. It's a good thing we're holding it over. And then we'll top it off with some more white.
It's got cells in that gold right
Yeah.
there.
Do you have any idea how much paint this funnel holds? I'm not sure if
a
that's
little bit
enough.
more.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really just a tiny bit.
Let's do more purple. And you know what? I'm just going to throw in some of this DecoArt.
Oh, it's getting so heavy. Oh.
Aquamarine. You got this. Okay, let's do that. All right, so
Okay,
now
you're going to be the spinner.
I'm going to spin.
And I'm going to
Okay,
release.
here we go. All right. Oh, yeah.
It's still coming out.
I like your little contraption here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's keep spinning. What
Yeah.
do you think?
We got one more corner over here.
Oh.
I'll help it. Here we go. Yeah, I've been meaning to do this to mine, add the
It's a little
sticks.
bumpy. This.
It might be the cardboard.
Oh, yeah.
Spin the other way just for fun.
Yeah. I like the colors.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. How did that happen? Look.
Lord only knows. All right, what do you think?
I
Spin
like
more or leave it?
Couple more? What do you think?
Okay. Give it a nice good one.
It makes me dizzy.
Right?
Ooh, look what it's doing there. Ooh. I'm glad you did that other spin. What do you think?
I think we leave it.
Yeah. Oh boy. We should show them this way because look at that. Look at that.
There's really cool effects throughout here. Awesome. Okay.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah. Let's go ahead. I'll do a close-up. All right. So some really cool designs in here. There's some fun, like kind of cloudy.
I love that. The cloudy one.
Yeah, this is a fun color combination.
Definitely.
So lots of really cool things in here. I'd say this was a successful technique.
It was fun.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. So please go ahead and check out Cyndi's Creatives. All information will be in the description, including all the materials, and we'll see you next time.